What's up, guys? It is rifle season here in South Georgia. This is my first time being able to come out here to do some hunting with it being rifle season since my wife had our little girl. So really excited about tonight. We get some decent pictures, not a whole lot of pictures, but some decent pictures. But we're going to give it a shot anyway. I've got my Savage Axis 243 with me tonight. We'll get out there and try to get it done. Dad's across the way over there in his field. He's got some hogs and stuff like that on camera, so hopefully he can knock down a hog or a good deer tonight as well. So let's get to the stand, see what happens. All right, y'all, it's a Thursday afternoon. It's about 83 degrees. It's hot. It's hot. And the last time I was out here on a hot day, I saw two of my call bugs that I want to get, and I'm hoping either one of the big boys comes out, or if one of them two calls come out, I'm going to take one of those. Put some meat in the freezer. Well, guys, it's getting to be about that time. We got about another 10 minutes and it's over. Haven't seen anything. A lot of birds, a lot of squirrels. A lot of, the wildlife is active, but no deer yet. Dad came hunting this morning and had a lot of activity where he was at. So I think what we're going to do is pack it up here in a few minutes, go home, check our camera, and come back this weekend and try to hunt a couple of mornings, Saturday and Sunday morning. Heard a shot over towards where Dad and Henry's hunting. It was pretty close. I think they may have got one. I heard the thud, so Dad just texted me back. He said it wasn't them. There's a couple hunters that hunt, within a mile of us, so it was close, but sometimes we can hear the shots from each other, sometimes we can't, so I keep hearing something back over here. All right, guys, another morning is in the books. It was real foggy this morning. The conditions were I thought were really nice, really good. Really thought we'd see something this morning, but heard some things rumbling on in the woods. Heard a couple of gunshots this morning as well, so they were walking. They just didn't walk here. But I got my camera, my SD cards. I'm gonna go here and check my camera now. And so I haven't checked it in about a week, so I'm gonna go check it out and see what I got on it. So let's find out. All right, so I just checked my camera. I got since Thursday. There's 32 pictures on it, which Thursday there was only 2 pictures on it from 2 days. The absent of deer here have been kind of mind-boggling, but I do know that every year that happens over here where I hunt at on this farm. For some reason, the beginning of October time frame, the deer just kind of disappear, and they'll disappear for a couple weeks, and all of a sudden, I'll start getting a couple hundred pictures, literally a night, of deer and hogs and everything else. But it's just that time of year. It's that time. It does it every year. I've been on this property for 6 years now. It does it every year. It's frustrating, but I should already know that that's what's going to happen, and that's what's happening. So either way, we got some pictures on it since Thursday. Today is Saturday morning. It was Thursday afternoon when I checked it, so 32 pictures in the last 24 to 48 hours. It's not bad. So we're going to check them out and see what happens. But we're going to get out of here. I'm going to meet Dad and Henry and see if they see anything this morning. And then we'll probably be back tomorrow because it's Saturday. So today's college football. We got some snacks we're going to do and watch some college football today. So it's supposed to be really bad weather this afternoon. So I doubt we'll be back this afternoon, but definitely tomorrow. So you guys stay with us. We're gonna keep pushing. We're gonna get what we want. It's just being patient. I got that fresh hat. Got the logo on the shirt. Yo, it's Sunday morning. It is 5 after 8. It is extremely foggy. A little bit cooler this morning. Got a lot of rain last night, so really optimistic about this morning. Dad and Henry are back over at Dad's stand way that way, so we're being patient. Nothing yet. A lot of activity, a lot of birds singing, squirrels are chirping, barking, whatever you want to call it. So we're just gonna sit here, relax, keep our eyes peeled, and hope for the best. So y'all seen Mom and Baby just come in. They came in and stayed in the corn for about 10 or 15 minutes. Dad and Henry's over there. They said their activities picked up a lot too. But it was good to see them up. It was good to see them here. I got some great footage of them, so that's pretty neat. It's always fun, always cool to watch them, and at least we saw something, you know. But they're hanging out. Mama and Baby's hanging out here a lot, so it's not unusual for me to see them, but it's still cool. I like it. It makes you feel good, so we'll see what happens. Guys, thank y'all so much for watching Katie Water and Woods. If you haven't checked out the other videos, please go and check out the other videos we got over here on Katie Water and Woods. Also, thank y'all so much for the support of Katie Water and Woods. We didn't get anything this weekend again, but just being out here is a lot of fun. We did get to see Mama and Baby. They come in about 8 o'clock, stayed around until about 8:15, 8:20, eating in the food plot in the corn there. It was pretty cool, pretty nice to watch those, a lot of fun. But hey, that's what it's all about. You know, they call it hunting and not killing. So I just enjoy being outside. I enjoy being out here in the wild and getting in my deer stand and just seeing what comes out and see what, you know, comes out and plays around. You know, just hoping that big boy will walk out, and he will. He's gonna walk out. So I'm just waiting on Dad with the buggy now, so he'll be here in a few minutes. He's in his stand, him and Henry. Matter of fact, I think I hear him coming now. So thank you all so much. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. That's a long walk by here. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, please go check it out, Katie Water Woods. I do Facebook Live once a month on Facebook doing giveaways, whether it be Katie Water Woods merchandise. I got hats, I got these shirts I'm making now, koozies, drink koozies, all kinds of stickers, just fun stuff that we're giving away. Also in the month of December for Christmas, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway of either hunting or fishing equipment. So probably hunting equipment considering it's hunting season. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.